Hello, another day, another rambling, seemingly pointless, unedited video. Excuse the lack of, well, professionalism, I suppose, I don't know. I'm just dipping back into YouTube just for my students, because we're in lockdown and I have to work from home, and the platform that we're using, I keep forgetting to look in the wrong place. The platform that we're using is like crashes. So I'm putting some videos up for YouTube. I was going to put them as private just for the students, and then I thought, what the heck, I'll just put them out. And I've had some really nice messages from old subscribers from long ago when I used to do it. And so that's like really lovely. Thank you ever so much. So anyway, I'm going to show you some more of my kit. I'm going to do eyeshadow palettes now. So obviously everything I've shown so far and in my other little things, it's all organised in these little clear plastic bags. And I do try to minimise my kit. I've obviously got a lot more palettes and a lot more products than what I'm showing. But this is the stuff in my actual working makeup kit. So because I'm usually mobile, I don't have a studio or anything to work from, I have to carry it all around with me, so it all fits nicely into a Zuka case and a separate backpack which I put my brushes in. So trying to be minimalistic, these are the eyeshadow palettes that I take around, and actually, as you can see, the bag doesn't shut, and there are at least 2 palettes in here that I could do without taking, that I don't often use, but they're just lovely. They're Pat McGrath palettes again. I think in my skincare video I had a Pat McGrath product that I can't bear to take out because it's so gorgeous, but I don't really use it. So let's start with the Pat McGrath palettes then. I'll show you those. So I've got 3 here. What I find a bit puts me off them a little bit is that they are a bit bulky, but then obviously if they're for your personal makeup, then they're absolutely gorgeous. They are in the most beautiful packaging, and the actual eyeshadows themselves are stunning. They are worth the pay packet, the pay packet. They are worth the price. I'll just do a little swatch. Let's just do a little swatch of that. I mean, it comes out like molten silver. Oh, bad lighting for that. That was the most that was a terrible swatch. You can see I'm out of practice. Anyway, trust me, these eyeshadows are incredible. That's better. You can see a bit better just on my finger there. I feel I need to try and do Pat a bit of justice. Let's try again. See if I can get this in the light. There she is. That's a bit better. You can see it a bit better there now. Anyway, so the Pat McGrath palettes I absolutely adore. I think I might need to take 1 or 2 of them out of the kit bag just to lighten the load a little bit, because I do need that kit bag to zip up really. It's a bit silly. And I've got this one, which again, absolutely stunning artwork on the palette. I love this one. This is really useful palette, beautiful colours. That in particular, gorgeous colour. These types of colours are really nice for bridal. What is the name of this palette? You can see I've got old. I've got to go like that one I'm trying to read. Mothership Subliminal Platinum Bronze Eye Palette. This is probably my favourite of the 3. And then this one as well. I mean, they just, oh, aren't they gorgeous? This is a lovely one as well. Another nice one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, so those 3. I've also got another one which I kind of feel like I need to depot it, but how can you take it out of such gorgeous packaging? I love this, and I do use it quite a lot. It makes a really nice like inner corner highlight colour. So they're quite they're pastel-y, but when you swatch them, especially if you do them over, see if I can do a better swatch now, especially if you do them over like a black, they come out So really, really vibrant, gorgeous, love this. But yeah, unnecessarily chunky packaging. Lovely for makeup like consumers at home, or if you've got a studio to work from, but not the best for working makeup artists who need to be a bit more efficient with their kit and their packaging. This one is well loved and well used, and I absolutely love it. You can see I've used the yellow loads. This is from an independent brand called Certify, and it's the Tropical Wonders palette. It is the only palette you'll ever need for like your glam makeup looks where you want a real pop of colour, doing a cut crease or anything like that. They're all matte. The pigment in this is incredible. I use this all the time. Love this palette. Obviously I've got my Z palette with all my handy neutral shades. Most of these in here are MAC shadows. Most of them from MAC. There are a few in there which you can see the initials stamped on there, are Ben Nye, which are pearl sheen shadows, which I really like. I've got Benefit eyebrow palette. I really like Benefit for eyebrows, so that's that one. It's got the waxes as well as the powders. Another favourite is what used to be Kat Von D, it's now KVD, Vegan Beauty, but it's always been Vegan Beauty. In fact, it's always been KVD, Vegan Beauty, hasn't it, if you think about it. Anyway, this is the Lolita palette. Really lovely colours, and again, I use that a lot. You can do really full glam with it, or you can be quite subtle with it. I think all of these, yeah, all of them are matte shades as well, which I really like. The ones, oh, I've got one of the Jeffree palettes, the mini breaker, again, really super pigmented, lovely choice of colours in this one. There's quite a lot of his palettes that I really like, but going back to what I said about the Pat McGrath ones, for me, they're just too big. You can't put them in a makeup kit and traipse around with them. But this one's more portable, so a little nod to that. So I had to have a little bit of Jeffree star. And then the three that I use more than anything, to be honest, I could bin everything I've shown you and just have these three, are from MAC. And they are the, what were they called? The Art Library Collection palettes. Oh, so much use out of these. They are incredible. So you've got the bright one, which you can use for, again, like your full glam type colourful makeups or just a pop of colour. It's got the carbon black in there as well, which is incredible. This one is like all your warm neutrals. Beautiful. But my favourite has to be this one, which is Nude Model, I think it's called. Yeah, Nude Model. Really, really wearable. I probably use that on every single client that I ever do. I always use that one. So useful and just gorgeous shadows, really nice colour palette. So that is my eyeshadow palettes that I carry around with me. And I've got 3 more bags to go, so I'll probably put them in the one video. I'm going to do my lips, eyebrow stuff, and pigments and glitters. So I'll come back and show you that a bit later. Thanks, bye.